Honk. I mean, Slick. Where are you? Slick. Slick. Honk? Why are you in there? Hey, Honk? Yeah, I'm looking for Slick. Slick! I know what I saw. Slick, are you okay? Huh? Oh yeah, I'm fine. Slick, do you not love me anymore? What? Never mind. Let's get back to work. We were looking for you. Oh, okay. What are we gonna do now? Well, because I'm the tallest in the group, I'm the tallest brother. I'm not your brother. Oh. Anyways, I will decide what we're doing next. Sis, I don't trust them. That is not my Slick. Come on, guys. Let's do rock climbing. Come on. I guess we should. Come on, Alana. I know you can do it. I'm trying. Let me give you a hand. Slick, what are you... Ah! Alana! Are you okay? Slick? We need to get to him now. Come on, guys. We don't have magic. I have the power of love. Slick, what are you doing? Did I just climb up here for no reason? Guys, he's over there! What the hell? I'm gonna go get some rest. Are you sure that's comfy? Yeah, don't worry, to. Okay. I guess I'll sleep up here, alone in the dark. Honk?
Alana, stop giggling.
It's not me. Honk's being creepy. He giggled just like Slick was.
He's asleep.
No, he isn't. He was there, I swear. My eyes don't lie.
My eyes don't lie. My hips don't lie.
My mum don't lie. My dad don't lie.
I don't lie.
Slick, is that you? Who said that? Who said that? My brother. He's a shapeshifter and he's taken my place. What? You gotta run! I'm awake. No, wait. What did I do wrong?
Come on, Lana.
Do you think we lost him? Tia!
Yeah?
Do you think we've lost him?
I don't know. We probably haven't.
Oh no.
Let's carry on.
No. He's coming. Faster, Tia, faster.
On running. And then we find...
Do we have to go in this cave? Huh? Tia! Are you alright?
Yeah, we just had to escape from
My
Wait,
brother.
Huh?
He's a shapeshifter.
What's his name?
Honk.
You mess with the honk, you get the bonk.
There's only one way to get rid of him.
We bonk him?
No, shut up, Tia. Just
Sorry.
watch and learn. Honk, wherever you are, come out. We need to talk. Hey, brother. Long time no see. Honk, this is getting way too crazy. You can't be shape-shifting like that. My friends are terrified half to death. Well, brother, you know there's only one way to get rid of me. I know, but I don't want to hurt you, brother. Are you sure?
Let's bonk!
Guys, he can teleport.
Oh. You okay, Hank?
Go. I need to get rid of him.
Oh, okay.
Brother, I'm ready. Teleport far, far away. Now. Okay. Honk.
Venom. Psycho killer. Run away.
Honk, 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 honk. Come and get the bonk, bonk. Honk, 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 honk. I will eat your toes. Honk, 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 honk. You will get the bonk, bonk. Honk.
It's bonk!
No, I got rid of him. Get off.
Oh.
I got rid of him. We're safe.
Let me check your name tag. Okay. He's fine. Sorry, bonked you.
It's okay. Let's go back.
Bonk!
I'm so glad I got rid of... What a wonderful summer's day it is. Sis, where are you? Tia?
Yeah.
Have you seen Honk anywhere? I'm right here.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Have you seen Slick anywhere? Tia?
Yeah.
Have you seen Slick anywhere?
No.
Oh, we need to go find him. Come on.
We have to.
Yes, we do.